Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start with essentials. Make sure your iPhone 15 is unlocked and updated, and that you have Wi-Fi or cellular available. Once ready, open Settings and tap Cellular. This begins the eSIM flow. If you have a carrier QR or activation code, choose Add Cellular Plan and use the camera to scan or enter details manually. If your carrier uses an app, install it now. Do this first so the phone can validate credentials. It speeds activation and avoids delays later. You proceed to the heart of activation. When the QR is scanned or the SMDP Plus and code are entered, the phone downloads the eSIM profile. Tap Continue, then assign a label and choose which line is default for voice and which for data. Make sure to set roaming and data switching preferences if you plan to travel. If the carrier requires a manual confirmation or PIN, provide it now. Once the profile shows installed, test by toggling cellular and checking signal bars and data. You finish by verifying functionality. Make a call, send an SMS, and browse on mobile data to confirm the eSIM is active. If anything fails, try quick fixes. Toggle airplane mode, restart the iPhone, and remove then re-add the eSIM profile. Make sure the carrier settings update is applied. If issues persist, contact your carrier and provide your iPhone's IMEI and the activation details. They can push the profile or reset provisioning. This single troubleshooting tip solves most activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.